Hey everyone, welcome back to Fixmaster. We're going to show you how to add that cinematic touch to your videos by applying motion blur in CapCut on your laptop. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open CapCut on your laptop. Once it's up and running, create a new project or open an existing one. Now, import the video clip you want to add motion blur to by clicking on the Import button. With your video clip on the timeline, let's add the motion blur effect. Here's how you can do it. Select your video clip on the timeline. Tap on the video, then swipe down on the right menu. Scroll down and look for the motion blur effect. Click on the motion blur effect to apply it to your video. You can select how much blur and blend you want in your video. Preview your video to see how the motion blur effect looks. Adjust the settings until you're satisfied with the result. Click on the Export button at the top right corner of the screen. Choose your export settings, such as resolution and quality. It's a good idea to select a higher quality setting for the best results. Select the destination folder where you want to save your video. Finally, hit the Export button and CapCut will start rendering your video with the motion blur effect. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome video editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.